Hi there everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool LED light kit. This actually has a 65-foot section here, but they come in a variety of sizes, which is great because it can then fit any kind of room or decor. They come in a nice spool with these LEDs, comes with the little power brick there that plugs simply in here, and then you can either use a remote or you can use an app. But these are going to be super cool. But they actually want to show you the remote and how reactive this is. You know, you can change it from green, red, blue, or you can even have it sync to a certain time or a certain color. You can actually have it go with the music. Boom, 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 boom. So really cool there. So let's get these things installed so that we can show you just how cool these can be in a nice room setting. So what I've done here is just put these around a door frame so you can see them up close. This is actually on the blue setting and on as dim as it can be. And I can show you, it actually steps up. It has a dimming feature that allows you to bring this clear up. I mean, it can get really bright. So this can get really bright or really dim. You have the ability to change that all the way up to there is maximum brightness on there. You can change the color to some red, you can change it to the sound function, but what I'd like to be able to do is go ahead and put this out like in a tray ceiling. You won't be able to actually see the lights, but just so that way you can see the ambiance that it can provide at night. So here it is at nighttime, and I mean, I put this up here in my tray ceiling. Just that one strand was enough to do around twice upside the tray ceiling, and you can change the colors. I mean, it completely changes the ambiance of the entire room. I mean, that just really pops and is super cool. And one of the neat features about this with the sound, maybe you're going to have a party or something, you can activate that and get that going. And now it works with the sounds. And you can have a rave going on in here, and it goes along with all the sound. And when you stop talking, it stops, which is kind of fun. So that'll add a nice, neat little feature to that too. The kids are going to absolutely love that. So this is a great lighting system that you can install really easily. It's got a peel-off back that you can stick on, which I did, and it worked out really well.